Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you for the growth so far. It's the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you for joining the winning team and welcome. Kindly click on the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Today, I am sharing with you how I make my flaky, crusty fish pie or turnovers. And my herbs and spice. So I mix them together. I add more nutmeg and my herbs for flavor and taste, and then also for nutrition. Then at this point I add my margarine one after the other, and then I mix it with my fingers like I'm doing here. So I mix it gradually and still add more margarine to it, so all the margarine is incorporated. So this is the results. You can see it's been mixed and the mixture is like bread crumbs. Yeah, so this is it. So at this point I create a hole and then I drop my egg, and then I gradually mix it with the mixture as I'm doing here. And please make sure your hands are totally clean and washed. Yes, so I add my milk to it, and I've added about 100 ml water to my evaporated milk, and then I added it to the mixture. So that's what I'll be using to do the net. And you see, this is the end result. You can choose to use water, it's okay. Yeah, so this is what we have here. So we just refrigerate this for about 30 minutes whilst I prepare my filling no and then 10 verse near there. Yeah, so I begin to fry my onions with the sunflower oil from my tuna flakes. Yeah, and because we are going to bake them, I don't need to fry them too much, or they don't need to be overly cooked. So I just saute them a little, because whilst baking it's gonna cook as well. So I add my carrots, and we know the carrots are a bit hard, so it needs to fry a little. And trust me, the aroma coming is So at this point, I add my tuna flakes or tuna chunk, and then I stir. I just love anything tuna. Then I add my potatoes. Yeah, but you don't stir it vigorously. Other than that, the potatoes are going to mash. We need to enjoy its chunkiness. So I add my mixed spice. Then I add some salt to taste. And here we are. Our filling is ready, so I'll just dish it out and allow it to cool down a bit. So you see, because the tuna has some liquid in it, it's moist. Yeah, it needs to be moist. So now our pie dough has rested for a while, so we're working on it. So I divide it into 4, and then I start doing the rolling so that I fill in with my filling. So I sprinkle some flour on it, and then I cover it with my parchment paper, and then I do the rolling. So after rolling, you can use your meat pie cutter to do the shaping. At the moment, my meat pie cutter is very small, so I decided to use the traditional method. That's I used a bowl to cut it and then add my filling, and then I use my tool for the closure and then the design I want. So this was my end result. This is the end result. So I just create some holes in it so that as it bakes, the heat will evaporate from it. And then I egg wash my pie. While doing this, I have preheated my oven to 170 degrees Celsius. So I'll just slot in my tray and then allow it to cook for like about 25 to 30 minutes. And just look at that. Just look at this. Oh my goodness. Our flaky fish pie, fish turnovers. It's just looking beautiful. Wow. So crusty from the outside and moist from inside. Just look at this. Moist on the inside. Just look at this. So simple. You can see I am going to enjoy mine with some pineapple juice. So please try your hands on this and send me a comment. Very simple to do, and trust me, the family, your visitors, they're gonna like it. Thank you so much for standing by with me. See you in our next video. I love you guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment to support the wedding cause. Bye bye.